YouTube, took a couple weeks off, back with a fresh tutorial. Let's run these numbers up. The high skin taper with the sponge curl cut. Subscribe to the channel, it's greatly appreciated. So on this one, we're gonna do a skin taper. We're leaving the back, we're leaving the top, we're leaving the sides. So this is a good way to focus on left and right skin tapers if you have any issues with those. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. Back to the video. We're using our Lo Pro FX. You can watch the lever. When I push down, the blade is all the way open. When I push up, the blade is all the way closed. We're using the half guard. We're concentrating on the corner of the blade because we have a small area to work with. We're going to use our trimmers to detail the bottom to get the most skin out of it. I'm going to go back to corner of the blade, corner of the guard. Not staying too long with the lever open, not staying too long with the lever closed. That's how you create lines. Pulling the hair back so we can get the skin stretched so we can get the detail we need. Going with the grain, going against the grain, doing what we got to do to knock down that bulk area instead of having it all bunched up at the end. Comb it back down and continue the process. It's important when you're using small areas to incorporate your detail work. That's why it's good to focus just on this skin taper so that you can see how much detail it actually goes into just a small area. I'm going to line the beard up with the natural line. We're doing point cutting with our shears. This is a technique I wanted to incorporate into this tutorial so you can see new things. And we're going to repeat this process on this side. If you notice that when you're on the right side or the left side, depending on your dominant hand, you're going to actually reverse the stroke pattern, kind of like a tennis racket with a forehand hit and a backhand hit. So you'll have one side where the taper comes together easier for you because you'll be right-handed, and then when you're on the left-handed side, you're actually doing different stroke patterns. So just something to be aware of. If you ever have one taper side that comes out higher or something like that, that's the reason. So you have to be cognitive of what you're doing while you're doing it. But now that you know that, you can go into the process a little bit better. Here we're going to line my man up following the natural pattern of the hairline. Another one in the books, guys. It sounds like a broken record, but we need you guys to like and subscribe. A lot of people watch videos, they don't like, they don't subscribe, and YouTube will not play the content for other people. So do all the YouTube creators a favor. If you watch the video and if you like it, like it. If you don't like it, thumbs that shit down. Simple as that. But do something. We're gonna razor them up. Funky fresh in the flesh. Got the Tune 45 razor. Fully extended cartridge. And that is the high skin taper with the sponge cut, or whatever you call it. I got different names for it, but he's gonna curl sponge the hair up when he leaves, so. And that's that. Comment on the video, share the video, make sure you have the bell notification hit, and I'll see you on the next one.